In this video AI tutorial, you'll learn how to create a complete video with just a single prompt. After testing various AI video editors, I've found this to be the best. By simply entering your prompt, this tool will generate the entire video for you. No need for a scriptwriter, voiceover, or video editor. InVideo handles everything. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to get started with InVideo's AI for free. If you're serious about video creation and want to publish videos without a watermark, I recommend upgrading to a paid plan, which starts at just $20 a month. Once you've signed up, this is your homepage, and from here you can start generating your video by entering your prompt. In the text box, you'll input the topic and details of the video you want to create. It's crucial to be specific with your prompts. If your prompt is too general, the AI will produce a vague video. For example, if you just type a video about animals, the AI won't have enough information to create a focused video. You need to include specific details such as the platform, topic, duration, tone of voice, type of voiceover, and any other relevant information to get the best results. Let's walk through creating a more detailed and useful prompt. To convey your message effectively in a video, let's create an example video about the 5 most dangerous animals on the planet. After that, it's essential to specify the tone of voice. If you're making a listicle video like this one, the tone should be informational. However, for motivational content, you'd use a motivational or inspirational tone. For our video, we'll set the tone to be informational with a male voice and an American accent. While this level of detail is helpful, you can add even more specifics, like excluding certain types of animals. Say, you only want to focus on mammals, not fish or sea animals. Next, you can explore some basic options, such as creating a YouTube explainer, YouTube short, or video about recent events. A key setting is the workflow option in the top right corner. By selecting the workflow, you can tailor the video type, which impacts the prompt you choose. For this video, we'll go with a YouTube explainer and set it to be about 5 minutes long. You can further customize the prompt, such as adding a joke about animals or selecting background music that aligns with your video's tone and message. The music plays a crucial role in setting the mood of the video. Once that's done, you can specify the type of voice and accent you prefer, like a clear American voice. Afterward, you can adjust watermark settings, use stock footage, and click Continue with the prompt and workflow details in place. You simply click Generate Video. And InVideo AI will process all the information to create the video for you. At this stage, you'll notice that InVideo will ask additional questions. For example, it's asking about the type of audience you're targeting. Let's say I choose educational content seekers and I want the look and feel to be professional. The platform is YouTube, but you can adjust it depending on your needs. If you're creating content for nature enthusiasts, you can select that, and it will influence the tone of the video, including the clips that are generated. In just a few minutes, our video is ready, so let's take a quick look.
Ever wondered which animals pose the most threat to us humans? Well, you might be surprised to find out that the most dangerous animals aren't always the biggest, or because of its proximity to habitats and its ability to transmit deadly disease.
The video begins with a question like, ever wondered which animals pose the most threat to us? You might be surprised to learn that some of the most dangerous animals aren't the largest. The video covers the deadly mosquito, which causes millions of deaths globally and features clear, intriguing visuals. It's informative, professional, and includes all the key details I wanted. Plus, it's well structured, breaking the video into sections and ensuring the information is distributed evenly. You can easily edit the video by customizing the script or changing the media. Additionally, you can change the audience. For example, instead of having one version, I can select a new audience like animal lovers, adjust the tone to be more lighthearted and friendly, and regenerate the video. This second version will appear below the first, and while it's being generated, you can further edit the original by clicking Edit in the bottom right. From there, you can either modify the script or the media. To edit the media, simply click on Edit Media and it will display all the visual elements used in your video. If you select any section, it will highlight both the text and the media in that part. You can upload your own media if you want to customize it or replace something that doesn't meet your expectations. For example, if I want to swap out a particular image, I can search for new media at the bottom. Let's say I want to replace it with footage of lions. I just select the new video and instantly that scene is updated. You can do this for any other section as well. After making changes, click Apply in the bottom right. If you want to modify the script, you can do that too. For instance, if you want to replace certain words, click Edit Script. Let's say instead of the word vivid, I want to use colorful. I can make that change, and the script will update along with the voiceover. These are the two main ways to edit the video. One of the most convenient and unique features is the AI-generated editor. Instead of using traditional editing tools, you can simply input a prompt to modify parts of your video. Whether you want to adjust the media clips, commands, or any element, you just add a new prompt. For example, I could ask for a new scene with lots of animals and have the voiceover say goodbye at the end. You can even specify the timing of each scene. Now let's see the newly generated scene. It adds a farewell section, summarizing the video with a variety of animals and a closing message. You can also adjust the duration of scenes. For example, if the first scene is 50 seconds long and you want to shorten it to 20 seconds, just enter that prompt and the video will be edited accordingly. You can also change the music tone and overall appeal of the video to better suit your audience. You might want to consider a more upbeat or cheerful voiceover for your video. As you can see, I've now shortened the first scene to around 30 seconds, and I can also ask the AI to summarize it. Let's take a look. A grizzly bear might seem terrifying, but encounters are rare. Now let's switch up the music and voiceover to make them more casual and relatable instead of formal. The AI is processing both changes at once, since I entered 2 commands in one prompt. You can do this too, just input all your commands together, and the system will break them down and apply the changes. Let's see how our video looks with the updated voiceover and music. Ever wondered which animals pose the most threat to humans? The tone and music have been slightly adjusted, showing how easily you can tweak these elements within InVideo AI. This platform is fantastic for creating various types of YouTube videos, whether they're informational, energetic, or designed for children. Informative content for kids is especially popular on YouTube and a great niche to explore. Kids often watch online platforms, and parents love educational listicle videos that are both entertaining and informative. InVideo AI can even help you create cartoon videos, which are in high demand. Take, for example, the YouTube channel across the globe. If I search it on Social Blade, you'll see that the channel is performing extremely well, with over 2 million views in the last 30 days. This channel likely earns a few $1,000s each month, around $5,000 to $6,000 without much effort, thanks to using a similar method to the one I've shown you. If I show you a video from this channel, you'll notice they are using the same approach, and it's helping them grow significantly. Now, about the pricing, the free version of InVideo AI comes with a watermark, which I don't recommend. If you're serious about getting started, they offer the Plus and Max plans, with prices starting as low as $25 per month. The Plus plan includes 50 minutes of AI generation, 40 monthly iStock media images or videos, unlimited exports, and allows you to add 1 user. The Max plan offers 200 minutes of AI generation, 400 gigabytes of storage, and additional features. If you're interested, I've included a personal link in the description below where you can sign up for free. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.